Can you hide Instagram account from everyone without deactivating? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. So yes, you can enhance your privacy on Instagram without deactivating your account by adjusting several settings. First, you need to simply navigate to Instagram and make sure you logged in. Now head towards profile at bottom right corner. Now tap on the three bar icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and look for account privacy and turn the button on for private account. Tap switch to private and this ensures only approved followers can view your posts and stories. The second way is simply you can remove the unwanted followers. For that you need to head towards your profile feed and now you need to simply tap on followers list. Next to each followers you can easily select the cross mark, tap on it and now tap on remove button. Removers or remove users won't be notified about this. So the third method is simply you can disable the activity status. For that, you simply need to head towards the three bar icon from your profile feed and you need to navigate to messages and story replies. Select show activity status and make sure you toggle off the button for show activity status. This will hide your online status from others. The other way is simply you can disable the contact syncing. For that, you need to head towards the setting page again and select the account center option, come across your information and permission option and select upload contact and tap on your Instagram account and turn off the button for connect contacts. This stops Instagram from suggesting your account to others based on your contacts. By implementing these steps, you can maintain a presence on Instagram while significantly limiting your visibility to others. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.